Hello, lovely people. How are you? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. Hope all is well and that you are in great spirits. Did you know that you can change the color of your glass gems to your desire, whatever color you would like? I need some shades of purple, so I'm going to try this out. I have some plastic containers and I have alcohol ink. And I have gloves. Let me put those on first. Alcohol ink stains. You can get it out with actual alcohol and soap and water, but it does take a little while. Put my gloves on. Now I'm going to split these gems up in maybe 4 different sections. And so I have shades of purple. Purple violet. This is a wild plum. Oh, am I showing you all? Can't really tell. It's dark. I have eggplant. That's a real dark purple. That just says purple. And this one was dyed over the label, and I can't tell, but it looks like a purple to me. Not sure if I'm going to use that one. Then I have a lavender, which is a lighter purple. And I have, what is this? Wild plum. Do I have 2 wild plums? I do, so I don't need that one. Okay, what do I want to start off with? So I'm going to put a handful in this container. You might want to plug your ears. It's going to get a little loud. Let's just start with that many. Let's just start with that. And I want to try the lavender. Shake it up. And I'm just going to do a drop or 2 at a time to see how intense it is or how much more I will need. So I'm just going to put a couple drops in here. I'll start with 3. Oh, that was more than 3. And let's shake this up. Oh, that's not hardly enough. Okay. It gets loud. I guess when I edit this, I'll turn the volume down. So you need more than a couple drops. So I just squirted some in there. Oh, that's going to be pretty. And it's alcohol ink, so it won't take long to dry. Those are beautiful. I'm just going to stick with that color, or should I make it a little darker? No, I'm going to leave it at that. That's pretty. Maybe a tiny bit more, just a tiny bit. Okay, let's pour these out. I should have had something white so we can see. Hold on. You know I'm frugal and save everything. So I have this board from a cricket shirt. Knew it would come in handy for something. Alright, let's move some of this out of the way. Put this top on. Set this one out of the way. Let's pour it on here and see. Oh yeah. Those are beautiful. So I'm going to flip them all over. I guess I don't have to. I don't have to. And set them aside so they can dry. This light is not good. Okay, so I'll use the next one. I'll need to clean this out, and you can clean it out with alcohol. So I'll just spray it for now. And then get some paper towel and go in there, clean it out. Let that sit for a minute. move this aside. Okay, that lighting is better. Maybe you can see this better now. It's a real pale lavender, as it is called. Let's use this container and let's do eggplant. I'll put a handful in here. And this is dark, so I definitely going to do a couple drops and see. Ooh, that's 2 drops. It looks black. Boy, let's see what it does. Okay, nothing. Nothing too much. Okay, don't be afraid to add enough. Okay, I don't want to add too much though. So do a little bit at a time. A couple drops at a time and see what you get. Oh, that's going to be pretty. Experimenting, y'all. I don't know how much to use. I'm just trying it out. Nice. Nice. Okay, I'll put another drop. Or 2. Okay. Is that all I want? Oh, sure. Okay. Let's see if I can pour these out on the same piece of cardboard. Very pretty. So you can tell they're darker. Okay, give me a minute and I'm going to clean these containers out and we're going to use a couple more colors. Okay, I've rinsed those out. Let's put another handful in here. Let's see what color we're going to use. I'm going to try this wild plum. It's not actually a purple, but it's a magenta. It'll blend with these, I think. If not, I'll use them for a different project. Yes, there's something I'm going to be making with these. That's why I needed these colors. All right. Those are pretty. They're not purple, they're pretty. I don't think I need any more color in there. So, I'll pour those out on a piece of cardboard. Put that one away. Nice. Nice. I'm just spraying the inside with alcohol so I can clean that out. Okay. Got 3 colors left and I just have this many stones. Gems. I don't know what this is. I'm just going to put a dot on this white. I want to see. I don't know if that's a purple or not. I think it is. Whoa. That's black. I think. Don't want that one. It's actually a purple. It's really, really deep. Wow. Almost like a burgundy. What else do I have? Just purple, and this is purple violet. These are probably going to be close to that. I don't know what I want to do. All right. Let me just put a few in here. About that maybe. And let's try this. No. Let's try this mysterious one. Mystery ink. Just want to see. Oh, I don't know. That was a good idea. And then you can always, if you don't like the colors, you don't like what it is, you can always use a bunch of alcohol, pour on top of them, and rinse them off. And then rinse them with soapy water. Soapy water. It's a pink shade. It's a burgundy like. Let me add just a little bit more. Just a little bit. A couple drops. So these will blend well with those, with that magenta color. Okay, let's pour these out. Put this one away. They're pretty. It's kind of a shade of pinkish purple. They're actually pretty. Let's see if I can lift this up without dropping and bring it closer to the camera. Although this light ain't that great, isn't that great. I could do without the shadow. Alrighty. I'm going to just use this container. That's what I usually color my wooden beads in. Alright, which one? I got two left. Purple. They both say purple. One's purple violet. So it doesn't matter. I'll go with this one. Ooh, it looks pretty. Okay, let's see. So you can use any plastic container. I wouldn't suggest glass because you might crack it. Any plastic container with a lid to shake these up in. Oh my goodness, this might be my favorite. Wow. Okay, you can't see them well because they're on this black. Is that dark enough? No, you can't see them good. I'm gonna put a drop or two more, maybe a drop, because they're looking pretty nice. And stir it up one more again. what I'm going to pour it out on. I've got more of these right there, but if I can fit it on here, these should be dry. Whoa, 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 don't drop them, don't drop them. Okay, 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 okay. Hold on, hold on. There's one. Yeah, they're pretty dry. But I want to be able to pick it up so you guys can see it. So I did all that for nothing. Hold on. Hold it. And let me get another one. They are pretty. And I actually think I want to put them back in there and put a little more color to them. Make sure your top is closed, or they'll fly everywhere. That's why I like the screw tops better. Or just hold on tight. Okay, that's enough of all that noise. Beautiful. This is more of a grape color. Just, is that what it said? No, none of them said grape. They all said purple. Very pretty. So I want to, since I showed it to you, I do want to set it on this board with these other purple ones so we can see the contrast. Move stuff out of the way. Is that one of these? Yeah. There we go. Pretty. Okay, that's all I'm going to do for this. I thank you for watching. Tell me what you think. I look very light when I'm looking up into the lens here, into the camera. I'll do a close-up of them so you can actually see the colors in better lighting. Yeah, you can't really tell what's going on here. So, peace and love. Thank you so much. Give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And we'll see you soon. Peace and love. Toodles, toodles, toodles.